heard you out there in Mobile. Hey, Big Phil, I heard you out there too. Man, there's a swarm of them out there. I don't get all the way. I just wanted to wave right quick at that Mobile out here in Idaho. I didn't know he's got conditions. And waving at you, Big Phil. It's been a while, no doubt about it. 73s? Oh, we're going out there in Music City out here in Wood. We're up here right there. They're gonna jam me. They're gonna jam my ears. Y'all have a good one out there. It's all you big radios at the same time, man. It's a train wreck. Hey, let me get out of here. I just cruising by. Doorknob down. Big Phil making a lot of noise in the band, good enough. Somebody else, too much. All right, man. Well, I'm on my way to Big Field. I'm going to get on that 29 in a minute. You want to watch train rocking my 10 word is gone. Hey, that's what it's all about, man. That's what it's all about, no doubt about it. All right, man. I've been on this forward glove. Let me check the replay. It's been a while since I've been up on this beam, man, no doubt about it. I've been easily work that ground plane. But hey, going out there, Big Deal. I appreciate the fireworks. Save a whole bunch for yourself. But I like that. I like my 29 too. That got me. It's like a VFO mod and a handful of other things done to it, man. And that whole radio right there gets up, no doubt about it. Going out there, Big Deal. We're a white train rocking this big beat, and I'm gone. Well, get him in straight out the hard yard. I heard that white raven on the stage. Stop ahead. What's up? Hey, Conrad. What are you talking about out there?